Imagine waking up one day and discovering someone just buried $1 trillion worth of gold right under your city. Everyone is rushing in, investors are throwing cash, startups are popping up overnight, engineers are quitting safe jobs. The world is going absolutely crazy. This is not a movie. This is happening right now. The AI gold rush is here, and today we find out who actually wins. Let's talk numbers first. Global AI investment crossed $91 billion in a single year. India alone saw AI startup funding grow by over 60% in 2023, and it's only accelerating. OpenAI went from a research lab to a $157 billion company in just a few years. That is faster than Google, faster than Amazon, faster than almost anything in history. Now here's the thing, every tech revolution this massive has two outcomes. Some get rich and many get wiped out. November 2022, OpenAI releases ChatGPT. Within 72 hours, the world changes forever. But for many startups, that moment was not a sunrise, it was a sunset. Dozens of AI writing assistants, they gone overnight. Why pay for a tool that does one thing when ChatGPT does everything for free, raised millions? Suddenly, no customers. This is the brutal truth. If your startup is doing something that a big tech company decides to do for free, you are finished. It's called platform risk. Big tech has the resources and the compute. Startups have the hunger and the speed. It's David meeting Goliath in the digital age. The question is, which one actually survives the graveyard? And how do you make sure you're not the next casualty? Here is the secret that most people miss. Big tech builds wide, startups build deep, and deep always wins in the long run. It's about the niche strategy. Go so deep into one specific problem that big tech simply cannot follow you. That becomes your moat. Startups have three superpowers: speed, trust, and community. You can ship in 3 days what takes Google 3 months. You build tribes, they build users. When you genuinely understand your users, they feel it. And in the AI era, that trust is everything. The AI boom is not the end for startups, it's the beginning, because AI is not your competitor, AI is your weapon. So, will the AI boom make or break startups? The answer is both. It will destroy the generic, but for those who go deep, it's the greatest opportunity in history. It's about the niche strategy. Go so deep into one specific problem that big tech simply cannot follow you. That becomes your moat. Learn the tools, find a real problem, and do not wait for permission. Ship something, anything. This is your moment. Every generation gets one big wave. For the 90s, it was the internet. For you, it is AI. The question is, will you be the one digging? Now you know the answer. What you do with it, that is entirely up to you. I'm your host, signing off.